How to deposit check using the MBNA mobile app. Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you the ways to deposit check using the MBNA mobile banking app. So some version of MBNA mobile app may offer the functionality to deposit check remotely using your smartphone or mobile device. Now this feature may be known as mobile check deposit or remote deposit capture. So this feature allows you to deposit check into your MBNA account without physically visiting a branch or ATM. Here's how it typically works. First of all, you could go and launch the MBNA mobile app on your smartphone or mobile device. Then you could go and enter in your credential, that is your username and then a password to log in into your MBNA account. If you've enabled biometric authentication such as touch, face ID, or maybe login using those mode, you'd go and use that. And once logged in, you can look for the option to deposit check with the app's menu. This option may be labeled as check deposit or deposit check or something similar. Then you could go and choose the account into which you want to deposit the check and enter the amount of the check as well. And it's turn to take photo of your check. You could go and follow the instructions on the screen to take a photo of the front and the back of the check using your mobile device camera. Make sure that the check is properly aligned within the frame and that all corners are visible. Then you could go and review and confirm. Then verify the image of the check are clear and legible. You could go and review the deposit details including the check amount and the account it will be deposited onto. After confirming the deposit, you could submit it through the app, and the app will typically provide a confirmation message including that the deposit has been successfully submitted. The process takes time for the check to deposit. That may vary depending on the bank's policies and procedures. And you could go ahead and keep the check. So that's basically how you can deposit check using the MBNA mobile banking app. That's it for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.